Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll discuss about Unit 3, Worksheet 9. Fill in the blanks. This is tree method. First we can break 16 into two factors, 2 and 8. Here 2 is a prime number but 8 is a composite number. We can again break 8 into two factors, 2 and 4. Here 2 is a prime number and 4 is a composite number. Here again we can again break into 4. 2 prime number 2 and 2. Then prime factorization of 16 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Because a prime factorization will contain no composite number. So prime factorization of 16 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then B 30. We can break 30 into two factors, that is 2 and 15. Here 2 is prime number but 15 is a composite number. We can again break into 15 into two prime factors. So 3 and 5. The prime factorization of 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Then C 70. We can break 70 into two factors, that is 2 and 35. Here 2 is a prime number but 35 is a composite number. We can again break into 35 to prime number 5 and 7. So prime factorization of 70 is 2 into 5 into 7. 2 into 5 into 7. Now solve question number 2. Using the factor tree method, find the prime factorization of the following. Using the factor tree method, A 8. First we can break 8 into two factors, that is 2 is a prime number and 4 is a composite number. Then we can break again 6, again 4. Then that is 2 factors, 2 and 5 factors, 2 is a 4. The prime factorization will contain no composite number. So prime factorization of 8, prime factorization of 8 equal 2 into 2 into 2. Then B 20. First we can break into two factors, that is 2 10 is 20. 2 10 is 20. Here 2 is a prime number and 10 is a composite number. We can again break 10 into two factors. 2 5 is 10. We can again two prime factors, 2 and 5. So prime factorization of 20 equal 2 into 2 into 5. Then C 34. C 34. We can break 34 into two factors. 17 2 is 34. So 2 is a prime number and 17 is also a prime number. So prime factorization prime factorization of 34 equal 2 into 17. Then D, 44. Then 44. We can break 44 into 2 factors. 22 is a 44. 2 is a prime number, but 22 is a composite number. We can again break 22 into 2 prime factors. 11 2 is a 22. So 2 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number. So prime factorization of 44, prime factorization of 44 equal 2 into 2 into 11 to 11. Then we solve E. Then we solve E. 21. 21. Then we solve 21. 3 7 ja 21. 3 is a prime number and 7 is a prime number. So prime factorization of 21 equal 3 into 7. Then F, 42. 42. 21 2 ja 42. So here 2 is a prime number, 21 is a composite number. We can again break 6 into 2 prime factors. 3 7 is 21. So 3 is a prime number and also 7 is a prime number. So prime factorization of 42, prime factorization of 42 equal 2 into 3 into 7. To 7. Now G, 38. 38. 19 2 ja 38. So 2 is a prime number and also 19 is a prime number. So prime factorization of of 38 equal 2 into 19. Then H, 45. Prime factorization of 45. First we can break 45 into 2 factors. That is 15 3 is a 45. 3 is a prime number, but 15 is a composite number. So we can again break into 15 to 2 factors. 3 5 is a 15. Here 3 is a prime number and also 5 is a prime number. So prime factorization of 45 equal 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now we solve question number 3. Using the division method, find the prime factorization of the following. Question number 3. A, 27. Divide 27 by the prime number 3. 27 by the prime number 3. 3 9 is 27 and we write quotient below 9. Then divide 99 by prime number 3. 3 3 is 9 and we write quotient below is 3. Then divide by 3, prime number is 3. 3 1 is 3. Stop when you get 1 because we start dividing by the smallest possible number, smallest possible prime number, and keep on doing the same till we get 1. So prime factorization of of 27 equal 3 into 3 into 3. Then B 34. Divide 34 by the prime number is 2. 2 and 2, 2 7 14, 17. And we write quotient below. Then we divide 17 by prime number 17. 17 1 is 17. We get 1. So we stop it. Prime factorization of 34 equal prime factorization of 34 equal 2 into 17 equal 2 into 17. So we can solve C. Then C. Prime factorization of 92. 92. Divide 92 by the prime number 2. 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12. Then we write quotient below. Divide 46 by the prime number 2. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. Then divide 23 by the prime number 23. We get 1. So we stop it. Prime factorization of 92. Prime factorization of 92 equal 2 into 2 into 23. 23. Then D. Prime factorization of 48. 48. Now divide 48 by a prime number 2. And write quotient below. 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. Quotient is 24. Then divide 24 by the prime number 2. 2 and 2, 2 2 is 4. Then quotient is 12. Now divide 12 by the prime number 2. 2 6 is 12. Then we divide 6 by prime number 2. Then we divide 3 by prime number 3. We get 1. So prime factorization of 48 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then E. Then E 64. 64. Divide 64 by the prime number 2. And we write quotient below. 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. Then we divide 32 by prime number 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12. Then we divide 16 by the prime number 2. 2 8 is 16. Divide 8 by the prime number 2. 4. Divide 4 by the prime number 2. Then divide 2 by the prime number 2. So prime factorization of 64 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then F 45. Then we solve F 45. Divide 45 by the prime number 3. 15 3 ja 45. 3. We write question below 15. Then divide 15 by the prime number 3. 3 5 ja 15. Then divide 5 by the prime number 5. 5 1 ja 5. So prime factorization of 45 equal 3 into 3 into 5. Then G 72. First we divide 72 by the prime number 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12. And write question below 36. Then divide 36 by the prime number 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. Then divide 18 by the prime number 2. 2 9 ja 18. Then divide prime number. Then divide 9 by the prime number 3. Then divide 9 by the prime number 3. We get 1. So we write prime factorization of 72. Prime factorization of 72 equal 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then H 99. First divide 99 by the prime factorization 3. 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, 33. Then we divide 33 by the prime number 3, 11. Then we divide 11 by the prime number 11. We get 1. So prime factorization of 99 equal prime factorization of 99 equal 3 into 3 into 11. Then we solve question number 4. Fill in the numbers. A. Question number 4. (72). Divide 72 by the prime number 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12. Then you get quotient 36. We write below. Then we divide 36 by the prime number 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. We write quotient 18. Then divide 18 by the prime number 2. 2 9 ja 18. Then divide 9 by the prime number 3. 3 3 ja 9. Then we divide prime number 3 by 3. We get 1. Then B. Then B. 75. Divide 75 by the prime number 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15. We get question 25 and write below it. Then we divide 25 by the prime number 5. 5 5 ja 25. Then we divide 5 by the prime number 5. 5 1 ja 5. We get 1. Then C. 30. First we divide 30. 3 is a prime number. We can break 30 into 2 factors. 3 10 is a 30. Here 3 is a prime number but 10 is a composite number. So we can again break 10 into 2 factors. 2 5 is a 10s. Here 2 is a prime number. 5 is also prime number. Then D. Then we solve D. 56. 56. First we can divide 56 by 2 by prime number 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16. We get question 28 and we write below. Then we can divide 28 by prime number 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. We get question 14. Then we divide 14 by prime number 2. 2 7 ja 14. And we write quotient 7 equal. Then we divide prime number 7 by prime number 7. We get 1. Then we solve E. 32. First we can break 32 into 2 factors. 16 2 is a 32. Here 2 is a prime number but 16 is a composite number. So we can again break into 16 into 2 factors. 2 8 is a 16. Here 2 is a prime number but 8 is a composite number. Here again break into 8 into 2 factors. 2 4 is a 8. Here 2 is a prime number but 4 is a composite number. We can again 4 into 2 factors. 2 2 is a 4. Here 2 is a prime number and also 2 is a prime number. Thank you.